Hello everyone, welcome to our EEC channel with me Ulfatur Ramadian
and me Karilda Kurniati.
Today we were going to discuss some tips and tricks for improving your English communication skill.
Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, these tips will help you become a more confident English speaker.
Tips 1. Practice speaking regularly. One of the best ways to improve your English speaking skill is to practice regularly. Try to speak English as much as possible, whether it's with friends, family, or even yourself. You can also join English speaking club or find a language exchange partner to practice with.
Tips 2. Focus on pronunciation. Pay attention to your pronunciation. Practice difficult sounds and words and listen to native speakers to mimic their pronunciation. You can also use online resources and apps to help you improve your pronunciation.
Tips 3. Expand your vocabulary. Building your vocabulary is crucial for effective communication. Try to learn new words every day and use them in your conversation. You can also read books, watch movies, and listen to music in English to expose yourself to new words and phrases. Next, improve your listening skill. Good communication involves not just speaking, but also listening. Practice listening to English speakers, whether it's through podcasts, TV show, or conversation. Try to understand the context and mind ideas. And also pay attention to different accents and speech patterns.
Lastly, be confident. Be confident in your abilities. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, as they are a natural part of learning. The more you practice, the more confident you will be. That's all for today's video. We hope these tips will help you improve your English communication skills.
If you have any question or want to share your own tips, feel free to leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.
Thank you so much for watching and see you next time!